Okay, so here you have an icons for SDK manager, and this is Android device monitor, and this is AVD manager, right? So if you click in this, so whatever we have earlier, I have created a virtual devices, it will list here actually. Okay, so let me go and see how to configure it, right? So I need an Android SDK location, right? For that, what I need to do is I need to go C drive. Okay, here I need a application data. Sorry, I need to go to users. Okay, so again users. Here I need a application data. It is actually usually it is hidden, so I need to go to options and say show all hidden files. Okay, so here, sorry, it's app data, right? So I need to go to app data and local Android SDK. This is an Android SDK home location, so I need to set this, copy this location, go to this PC properties, advanced environment variable, and create a new variable called Android underscore home and paste the location, right? Okay, 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 fine. So to verify it, go to run percentage Android underscore home. Okay, go to this location. Now it is visible and I'm able to open it, right? So now I need to set this on path as well, right? So go to again properties and environment variable, go to path variable, edit, and here at the end I need to click semicolon and percentage. Okay, before that I just need to go to command prompt and type Android, and see here it is showing it is not a recognized command, right? Okay, I need to say Android, right? And I need to set other paths as well, like I need to say platform tools, right? So you can copy this. Okay, and say again percentage and paste this. Okay, and okay, so I need to go uh, tools. So till tools I need a slash tools. Okay, copy this and again go here and say percentage Android underscore home percentage slash tools, sorry, tools, again semicolon. Now go to build tools 21.1 and copy this location, copy it. Okay, and say percentage Android underscore home percentage and paste this. Okay, click OK, 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 and Okay, to verify, go to again command prompt and say Android. So now see, now you can able to see that Android SDK manager has been opened. So whatever the configuration we have done, that was successful. Now we need to install the required packages. See here, these are all already installed, and if you see here, for 5.0.1 these packages has been already installed. And if you go here, so all these packages are not installed. So whatever uh, the specific API levels you want it, you can install it. Okay, so I need 20. Let's see here what all I needed. So I need suppose 19, 18 and 17. All these packages I need it because Appium supports from API level 17 and above. So I need to install all the packages. Okay, these TV packages I don't need it. So I can say I don't need it. These two already installed. And what else I need? Okay, so 30 packages I need to install it. So I say install packages. Okay, so it will say what all we need to install it. Say accept and install. Again it will take uh, long time to install all the packages, right? So be with me. So it will take huge time to download all the builds. So once it's done, right, so you can even create a AVD using go to tools, manage AVDs, right? So from here you can create a virtual devices. Go to create, and from here you can create a any virtual device, right? Right now it is showing only 21 because 21 is only installed right now, right? And here you need to provide all the details and say okay. So it will create something like this, which has been already created. Go to edit, see. Okay, so this is a way we can install and configure Android SDK, the new latest version.